Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for Tech. The wait is finally over for all OnePlus 11R users. OxygenOS 16 is here. I was running OxygenOS 15 V870 on my OnePlus 11R, but I didn't get the OxygenOS 16 update through stock OTA or via beta update section. However, via the OxygenOS updater application, I grabbed the 3.5 GB of OxygenOS 16.0.1 V300 version. This means OnePlus already started rolling out the stock OxygenOS 16 stable update for OnePlus 11R Indian users. It will be available gradually for all of us within 1 week. You will get this update notification. If you haven't received it, you can download and install this update using OxygenOS Updater application. So I downloaded and started to flash this update, and today we are going to check out which OxygenOS 16 features are working with OnePlus 11R, and at the end of the video I've shown some missing features, so watch this video completely without skipping any part. Now without further delay, let's get started. We will first check out the about device details of this version. So our OnePlus 11 are finally running with OxygenOS 16.0.1 v300 version. Its SOTA version is same as that we reviewed in the last video. It is v120p02. Same will be available in the version details section. Security patches of this update is of old November 2025. OxygenOS 16 have used changelog and all the features changes to review needs different videos, and we already did it via series of different videos. So in this video I will only overview the OxygenOS 16 working features, and will give you the detailed video review links of those features and the changes in the description and in the icon of this video. The most anticipated feature of OxygenOS 16 is the new Flux theme. All the new Flux themes are available and working for OnePlus 11R. Who gets the new Sublime Grandeur, Live Clock, Never Settle, new Doodle themes, and all the old playful set of themes. We can customize all of these themes as we want. We can apply any kind of videos as a live wallpaper along with the AI created depth effect. We can apply the new lock screen widgets. We can customize the clocks. Who gets new full screen always on display. So every single features of the new Flux themes are available and working for OnePlus 11R. For detailed review of the Flux themes features and the instruction how to create amazing themes, please check out the video link given in the icon. Next is new OxygenOS 16 device connect hub. This dedicated option is available in the setting, and here you get the settings to configure all the devices connected to your device like tablets, PC, TV, Android Auto, iPhone, etc. But I especially like the new touch interaction feature to share the content between two Android devices running with OxygenOS 16. It has the nice liquid flow animation when device gets detected with the touch. Next you have to just swipe up the detected content on another device, and it will be instantly gets available on other device after accepting the prompt. Next are OnePlus AI features. All OxygenOS 16 AI features are now bundled under the OnePlus AI settings, including the Mind Space, AI Suggest, AI Search, AI Writer, AI Translate, and AI Voice Scribe. Mindspace is a standout. Swipe up with the three fingers to capture the screen content with nice animation. We'll get a detailed summary and the tags plus deep Google Gemini integration for your queries. I have reviewed every OnePlus AI features including new AI in the notes and the OnePlus photo application. You will find those videos in the iCard and in the description. I also covered the new AI Play Lab here, giving you the full analysis of OnePlus AI. Next are OxygenOS 16 UI and the performance changes. OnePlus made tons of different UI tweaks. Flux home screen customizations now have the stacked third-party widgets, enlarged app folders with new grid layouts, bigger application icons with shortcuts. OxygenOS 16 launcher application drawer got the new AI application suggestions and the categorization. The OnePlus Photo application user interface is completely revamped. It got the new flow motion parallel processing, improving the touch response and the animation across the OS, making the OnePlus 11R feel much faster in the daily uses. OxygenOS 16 got the new animations for application opening and the closing, live alert notifications, multi-window controls, new back gestures, etc. OnePlus also provided the new Compass application in OxygenOS 16 along with the new user interface of calculator and the weather application. There are lots of such changes I discussed in the details in these separate videos. You will find their links in the iCard and in description. Next is the new OxygenOS 16 Game Assistant. OxygenOS 16 Game Assistant is another major change of old GameSpace application which have completely revamped the user interface and added bunch of different features. This topic is also very big, that's why I reviewed the Game Assistant in a separate video. You will find this video in the iCard and in description. Performance of the games is much better in OxygenOS 16 for OnePlus 11R after using the new features of the Game Assistant, and we also get constant 120 fps while playing the games. Device is feeling much faster in a day-to-day uses with new OxygenOS 16. But I will release the separate video of performance test using the benchmark applications and after using the device in a real life along with its battery life. I will release the performance and battery life review video after 2 to 3 days of intensive testing of OnePlus 11R. So stay tuned to our channel. Now comes the important timestamp of this video, that is which features of OxygenOS 16 are not working in OnePlus 11R. Till now only two noticeable things I got, like I didn't got the working liquid flow animation for ring fingerprint animation. You can clearly see here in my OnePlus 12R the ring fingerprint unlock animation have nice liquid flow animation, but OnePlus 11R ring fingerprint animation didn't have those animations. Similarly, the charging animation of OxygenOS 16 in OnePlus 11R is still like old OxygenOS 15, while my other devices like OnePlus 12 and 13 series got the new charging animation. Only these two things I found not available in OnePlus 11R, except that everything is working. This is all about for OxygenOS 16 update of OnePlus 11R, which you are waiting from long time. Hope you guys liked our work, then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching, see you next time, take care, bye bye.